Hey, I'm Nolan Barnes. I'm from Yorkton, Saskatchewan. I'm 27 years old, and I was injured in a single vehicle rollover in May 2010. In the crash, I sustained a few injuries. I broke my left collarbone. I broke my back at T5, 6, 7. To give you an idea, it's just below my pec muscles is where my point of feeling ends. No leg movement, nothing like that. And so that comes with a lot of challenges, things I guess people don't even think about. I didn't even know when I had to go to the bathroom for the longest time. I had to set a clock. I didn't get that feeling back for about 6 months. And because my injury is so high, the rehab progress takes quite a bit longer. Early on, I didn't want to accept this as my life. I thought for sure I was going to walk out of this. There was other young people that were in the hospital when I was in there, and I didn't want to associate with them. I was pretty angry with myself and what had happened, and very scared about what my life was going to look like. It wasn't until I got to know these other people that were in the hospital with me, and I heard their stories, and I realized how fortunate I was to have the support that I did when they didn't really have much support at all, yet they were smiling and pushing through it anyways. And so I think that took a few excuses away from me.